Is slow travel the ultimate way to explore the world? Slow travel, a concept that's changing the way we explore the world. It's about immersing yourself in the heart of a destination, embracing its culture, and savoring every moment. Unlike a whirlwind backpacking trip or being an expat, slow travel offers you the perfect balance between the two, offering you an unparalleled way to experience the world. After 2 years of slow traveling with my husband, I'm now going to share some valuable tips that can also help you make this your lifestyle. So why is slow travel better than backpacking or expat living? For starters, less risk. There's less paperwork and investment in a travel visa rather than getting that expat visa. And slow travel can be more temporary. Next, cultural depth. Slow travel lets you savor a destination's culture, creating lasting memories and meaningful connections. Personal transformation. It's a transformation experience, pushing you beyond your boundaries and fostering personal growth. Finally, flexibility and freedom. Whether you're saving up, working remotely, or enjoying retirement, slow travel can fit into your lifestyle seamlessly. So, if you're ready to embark on your slow travel journey, here are some expert tips to get you started. 1. Establish a home base. Consider having a home base in your home country. It could be a relative's house, a friend's place, or a property that you simply rent out. This simply ensures consistency for your taxes, mail, and it can also be a reliable place for you to return to when you visit home. 2, you need to invest in a good travel credit card. A good travel credit card can offer valuable perks like travel insurance, rewards points, and travel benefits. We personally use the Chase Preferred and Reserve card, which helps us cover flights, provides us travel insurance, and grants us priority lounge access. 3, visa regulations. Research visa laws and travel restrictions in the chosen destinations. For instance, as a US citizen, you can spend up to 3 months in the Schengen EU countries. Afterwards, you must leave and reset your visa clock for a specific duration. To navigate this, my husband did develop a handy calculator to keep us within the rules, otherwise we would have been lost. 4, seek long-term rentals. Explore fully furnished apartments or homes for rent on platforms like Airbnb. Booking for a month or more often unlocks discounts. Staying in one place for an extended period of time allows you to establish a routine, integrate into the community, and truly experience life as a local. 5, pack smart. Plan your packing wisely. Consider the weather and the comfort needs. With a home base, you can leave items for future use. We typically travel with 2 checked bags, a carry-on, and a backpack. We even keep a large suitcase in storage at our base because slow travel lets you pack more since you're moving less and you can do laundry in your apartment. We also bring personal touches like our Apple TV, ring light, and a cozy blanket to make a place feel like home. 6, stay connected. Ensure you have reliable phone coverage wherever you go. For instance, my husband uses T-Mobile, which provides excellent coverage in Europe for texting and data. However, making or taking calls can be costly. Consider getting a local SIM card for calls. Just be cautious about changing your number temporarily due to 2-factor authentication. Slow travel is a rising trend, particularly with being able to work anywhere in the world. It lets you truly become a part of a place, offering you a taste of what it's actually like to live there. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below to get more information and travel inspiration.